Continue. See if number 3. One should not relieve himself, or there is defecate, while standing. And one should not force himself to defecate by straining himself excessively. That's a big issue. So as not to cause the muscles that hold the rectum in place to tear. Okay. So in commentary number 12, literally the teeth of the rectum, so this muscle, right, refers to the muscles of the anal sphincter, thank you, which situated at the end of the anal canal, near the rectal orifice. They are referred to the teeth because the holes of the muscles and their shape and arrangement are similar to that of the row with the teeth. Okay, see, I didn't know. Okay, but basically, don't push too hard. Also, not good. Once, yeah. So it's.
I just find it interesting because this is all like modern medicine that I've known. That's they already knew this. I don't know whenever this was written.
It was. I think it's from Gemara. That's what I think.
Yeah, I think so. No, yeah, I mean. They compiled from it, so whatever, 3,000,
Yes.
So I'm just like, like this can only be from HaShem, right? Like,
yes.
I mean, we couldn't have just known this at that time.
Exactly. And they said that's what the teeth, that's how it looks like, and that's what you must do.
Right. Unbelievable.
It is, yes. One and for us, it's like a regular halacha. It's not if you want to be healthy, if you want to be this or that. No, you must be healthy, because if a Jew is not healthy, he cannot serve HaShem properly. If he thinks about going to the bathroom, or he has this ache or that ache, because he brought it upon himself, right? So you absolutely, you're not allowed to neglect your body. One should not hasten to leave the bathroom until he is sure that he no longer needs to relieve himself further. Just take your time. When standing while urinating, he should be mindful that urine not drop into his shoes or clothing. So it's very interesting. We're going to explain why. Mishnah Brura. Nevertheless, he should be careful when urinating not to hold his organ of circumcision in his hands. See below Siman 151. Okay, let's see. Where Halachah expound upon the further. So basically, it's less touchiness as possible. So why? Because it can bring to seminal emission.
Right.
So they say don't get too comfortable with yourselves. That's what it says. And urine on the shoes, they say even what is the problem with the urine on the shoes? So if you went this number one, right, and he comes and his friend sees his with this urine on his shoes, so he would think that his this organ was that there is a problem. Maybe there is no organ. Maybe it was tear off, whatever. Maybe it's amputated for whatever reason, right? So and he would pass this information to everybody, and basically nobody would want to marry this guy. So there is a clear law, like it's actually in the Chumash. So not to marry this guy if his organ was torn off.
Really?
Yes. So and this is like indication. How do we know? Did I see it? No, I didn't see it, but I see the droplets. So otherwise, like he would have a stronger stream. So and it would not drop on his shoes.
Right.
You understand? That's what Halachah comes from. We have to stop here, right?